Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is lesson series of idioms for the vocabulary increase. So without further ado, let's start the lesson. First is sink like a stone. Sink like a stone. It is used for the emphasis. It means failed completely. Failed completely. The singer's second album sank like a stone. The singer's second album sank like a stone. Next, put your foot in it. Put your foot in it. It means say something accidentally which upsets or embarrasses someone. Its example is I put my foot in it the other day at Linda's house. Next, took a shine. Took a shine. It means immediately liked. Example, Tim took a shine to his teacher. Tim took a shine to his teacher. Next, flash in the pan. Flash in the pan. Something that happens only once. Something that happens only once. Example, the band's number one hit was just a flash in the pan. The band's number one hit was just a flash in the pan. Next, as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. It means extremely quiet. Example, little Jimmy has been as quiet as a mouse all day. Next, safe and sound. Safe and sound. It means safely. Example, we arrived safe and sound. Next, don't see eye to eye. Don't see eye to eye. It means don't agree with each other. Example, Mark and Alistair don't see eye to eye. Next, licking your wounds. Licking your wounds. Trying to recover from your bad experiences. For example, you will spend much of this week licking your wounds. Next, run its course. Run its course. Come to a natural end. Come to a natural end. For example, do you think my relationship has run its course? Next, open the door to. Open the door to. For example, it means let something new start. Let something new start. Its examples are it is hoped that the regulations will open the door to better management. Next, like it or lump it. They must accept the situation they don't like because they cannot change it. The fact remains that all we are going to pay him and he can like it or lump it. Next, deer caught in the headlights. Deer caught in the headlights. It means looked very frightened, unable to move or think. Sometimes rabbit instead of deer may come in the idiom as rabbit got in the headlights. Example, each time they asked him a question, he was like a deer caught in the headlights. Next, took center stage. Took center stage means most noticeable or important person or thing. Example, the new president took center stage at the meeting. The new president took center stage at the meeting. Is a minefield. Is a minefield. Is potentially dangerous. Is potentially dangerous. It means, examples, business situation is a minefield. Business situation is a minefield. Is a casualty. Is a casualty. Means badly affected by. Badly affected by. Example, a company is a casualty of a difficult economic situation. Next, pull rank. Pull rank means use the power his position gives him to make them do something. Examples, a manager may pull rank on his employees. A manager may pull rank on his employees. Next, get or take the flak. Get the flak or take the flak means receive strong criticism. Receive strong criticism. Example: he may have to take the flak for a problem. He may have to take the flak for a problem. Get his marching orders. Get his marching orders means lose his job. Lose his job. Example: an employee may be given or get his marching orders. An employee may be given or get his marching orders. Seeing sense or seeing reason. Seeing sense or seeing reason means becoming sensible or reasonable. Becoming sensible or reasonable. It means sometimes it takes ages to see sense. Sometimes it takes ages to see sense. Seeing the point. Seeing the point. Understanding the importance of something. For example, in a heated debate, you have to go extra mile to see the real point. Next, see the joke means understand it. For example, you such a dumb will take ages to see the joke. You such a dumb will take ages to see the joke. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe and share with your friends and family.